saying this is a nyom na ewo wa omonhwem. I think that statement, it can rather be attributed to Nana Danko Kufuor, because Obeka say so far you no more voterage, Nana do call or catch your say mokra de mon come on to mo abama me. Enti anka hadi ensese me baha. Beza ze mi yo man penyinti na ejama baha say no. He said that. Enti but when it comes to the National Democratic Congress, TK free SHS since 2012, say John, NPP have always been talking about free SHS.
That is
I mean, how?
Our major policy.
Can't you lift the game a little bit? It's about the economy. What you say? From 2012, we a former deputy governor of Bank of Ghana. Let us not forget that. That is his profession. That is where his competence is. Or because if you want to say free SHS, vote for Baumia. How? This campaign is an insult to the average Ghanaian's intelligence.
That
protect free SHS.
Protect free SHS. Because
how do you protect free SHS?
I mean,
how do you protect free SHS?
That is fair.
Go into the constitution.
Because the old trauma and me oba.
When him the NTA, I am now on Hoya Messerino. A bambia by education sector on Tutunasi. That's a Macano Sound platform. Ghana Education Trust Fund. I friend get fund. A Juma Ghana Education Trust Fund. I am SHS no. Free SHS in terms of even the numbers and in terms of even Sika you are spending in the education sector. Opa, I will challenge the MPP store that we do that analysis here. Motiana Monam say and 5.2 million people are benefiting free SHS. Meanwhile, it is not true. Or more my benefit is 3.1 million. What you say? They make say
from source
meba free SHS secretariat. Ankasa. I mean every year the annual school no. The data is there. In 2016, Omo no muko sunomi about 300 something thousand. Omo, what's it say? 800,000. Oh, masa meba. And what I'm saying is that lift the game. That is why we are bringing the 24-hour economic policy, because the 24-hour economic policy a one-stop shop. Didn't I make us a one-stop shop? We are looking at creating jobs, decent jobs. And you can say who created decent jobs I was say Adibia you see some of the public institutions say John traffic human traffic human traffic a bad day now. What is human traffic eso you can reduce the human traffic by increasing the working hours. We see working hours and any panel do be jumano. Intelo what did you do more digitalization or Kasakwa? I didn't know how he was saying that they will create jobs. Digitalization has been part and parcel of us. So the 24-hour economic policy Jowa Masi is all about creation of jobs. It's all about productivity. Now say the 24-hour economic policy is going to help stabilize the Ghanaian city. Because me know what say in the Atwabu gas I former President Mahama any mills save Ghana about $500 million. As I created jobs over 1,000 direct, indirect jobs also. Now say increasing productivity. The Atwabu gas is a typical example of a 24-hour economic project. And there's a woko KJT marketer. Unze KJT omu be no passes normal passes. KJT. But even in our many African countries, uko ebi anadua, omu anadujwa omudi. Anadujwa ebi wo baby. I didn't see yetimi close yetimi be KJT says ni upon and enumerations. Meanwhile, banks are what edum nyina no. Obi oye banker mpacho be pon time enye 67 obepon upon 7 because say ono opeso kodi dwenti bu ono aye rush no akwa kodi dwa no but so onim security e be around the clock obenya abotre aye na dwuma upon wi a onim say there will still be services at the KJT aye Dubai marketers SLC John Dramani Mahama CN. So what we are talking about is that yeah catch Ghana for say the Ghanaian youth are hard working. Ghana ni no need the bia no pay bibia free o or financial independence as sebi say the condo coke the condo air series the condo air don simo not so person ko ton mo betime dey atano na say you can be bia me free SHS even to the point say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bami the head of the economic management team why jumo governor Bank of Ghana no ono susu ka free SHS na say Ghana e kwa na say buy. And he said, what we are saying is that as we are talking, the city no Ghana at 17. I know now what's a motion I'm going to
the above form.
Above form.
It's above form.
Or say above 15. Who the what's the radio now? What can they all day? Who can say better politics? Wow. If I want to do more, tell the whole can. What's your guys above 15? Who can say guys above 15 and above 15? Oh, the man who can say global lady.
16 point something.
No, yeah, no, but tell you about 15.
16 point.
Ni bako ti eyi swame ni bako ti swame no pese o ti se above 15 be we studio abebo wa sumo because you don't know what you are talking about.
And Bank of Ghana they by now per Tuesday 19th November 2024 say buying a 15.9220 and a selling a 15.9380. I know you there no the black market will be around 16.5.
Let me educate you let me educate you on that. What let me educate you on that. Let me educate you on that. When BOG gives a rate, an indicative rate,
and I make us say,
and only if you
go to the black market, it will not be around.
The black market. Go to the first bill. Bank of Ghana rate.
Yeah, that's true.
That is a straight thing. What did they make us say? And how a Bank of Ghana for no dollar no is different from how if it be cost of funds. The amount of funds will be here dollar no. The way the first people will get it will not be the same way a Bank of Ghana made it.
Right.
It is a Bank of Ghana amount of 15.9. No matter where you go, even commercial bank today, Fidelity Bank, go and check their rate. It is there. What did they make and I say? And the and they 15. Meanwhile, Bakotna magazine, what for almost 17.1.
Thank you very much.
All right. Message you best say for say. John Mahama say the free SHS no. And we minimum.
Okay.
And 1992 constitution. Thank you very much.